Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I got a special unboxing for you guys of this Cardsharp credit card folding safety knife. Yeah, so this is the product itself. It has a picture of it and a branding in front. Yeah, without further ado, let's just jump inside and open the seal. Yeah, so this is the product, and let's have this unboxing knife here and crack this seal down. Let's put this aside now. So let's have a quick tour around the box here. So it is made by Sinclair and it is 18 plus. And yeah, let's jump inside the box. Once you open, you are greeted by the card itself. So this includes with this user manual here. That's how on tutorial on how to use that product. And on the other side there's some safety issue, like 5 fact about the Cardsharp. And in the packaging they say that this is the most innovative pocket knife in the world and made by Ian Sinclair here. Okay, so this is the credit card knife itself. So it made of a really good material and really strong, so you won't have any fear of breaking it. So it comes with a locking mechanism there, so to prevent kids to open the knife by mistake. So it just turn and you can open the knife itself. So secure it with the tab there. And yeah, this is the knife itself. It's smaller than your palm. This is an average palm. So this is a good test. We're gonna open up the tennis ball.
Three weeks later.
Yes, so overall this is an amazing task to test the sharpness of this thing. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and leave comments down below here in the box there, and peace out.